It's sure a wet and rainy morning today. Good morning, farm friends. Not even any sheep out here to greet me. Everybody's hiding in their houses. Look at this. Oh, here they come. They spotted me. Well, you can tell I've been in the garden because the kitchen is a mess. Betterer! I thought I would give today's farm update from the sheep shed because it's just wet and yucky out, and that's been the theme of the day, really. It's just wet, miserable. So since it's Sunday and technically supposed to be my day off, even though I rarely take a full day off on Sunday, I worked in the office on a new business plan in preparation for Liz Reitzig's final farm marketing workshop. I'm still being mauled by sheep down here. Yeah, and also just for myself, it's been 8 years since I bought the farm. I did a business plan for the Farm Service Agency when I went through them as a beginning farmer to buy the property. But it's been 8 years, so it's time to update it. And so I did that. I did a little housework, and yeah, now I'm just out here in the sheep shed with all the babies. Jim Henson is one precocious young little ram.